Hello everyone, today we're gonna see how you can make this really easy navigation bar animation very easily in Figma. So without further ado, let's get started. So to get started, we must have the design first, then we need the line. To do that, we need to go to rectangle tool and then here the line tool, then just drag a line like this by holding shift, and then go to change the thickness to 3 and then change it to rounded corner. I'm changing the color to white, reposition that, and we're done. Now you have to select everything and make this component, and then we're gonna make some variants of it. To do that, go to properties, hit the plus icon, then hit the variant. Now click this plus icon 5 times so we can have 5 variants. Now we just have to reposition the line like this. So after this, we need to prototype this. To do that, let's go to prototype, and then for now we need to select the second variance. Then click on here and then go to the first variant, and then here change the property to on click, then change to property 1 to default, and then set to smart animate is out, and I think 300 will be amazing. Now you just have to do it for others like this. Select everything and do it like this. And when we're done with the prototype, it's good to go. Just go to assets and then drag your navigation here, start the flow from here, and then go to prototype, and here you go.